Part 1, Introduction, Background, Customer Segments, and Value Proposition. Good day everyone. Today, we will study AirAsia using the Business Model Canvas, or BMC. The BMC helps us understand how a company creates value, delivers value, and captures value. For AirAsia, this is especially useful because its success is not based only on cheap tickets. It is based on a full business model built around affordability, accessibility, efficiency, and scale. AirAsia is a low-cost airline based in Malaysia. It was founded in 1993 and began operations in 1996. The major turning point came in 2001, when Tony Fernandez acquired AirAsia for the symbolic price of 1 Malaysian ringgit, together with its debts. Under his leadership, AirAsia was repositioned as a low-cost airline with a powerful promise: now everyone can fly. This slogan became the heart of the business. AirAsia wanted to make air travel affordable for ordinary people. Before low-cost carriers became common, flying was often seen as expensive and mainly for business travelers or higher-income customers. AirAsia changed that perception by reducing unnecessary costs, selling tickets at lower prices, and allowing passengers to pay only for the services they needed. Let us begin with the first BMC block, customer segments. AirAsia mainly serves price-sensitive travelers. These are customers who want affordable, reliable, and accessible air travel. They include budget-conscious tourists, migrant workers, students, young travelers, families, and cost-conscious business travelers. For example, a backpacker may choose AirAsia because cheaper tickets allow them to visit more destinations. A family may choose AirAsia because lower fares reduce the total cost of a holiday. A small business owner may choose AirAsia because it helps control travel expenses. The common need across these groups is clear: they want to fly at a lower cost. Now let us look at the second block, value proposition. AirAsia's core value proposition is low prices. It offers cheaper tickets by controlling operational costs and providing a basic flight service. Instead of including everything in one ticket, AirAsia separates the basic fare from optional extras. This means customers can choose what they want to pay for. A student may buy only the basic ticket. A family may add baggage and meals. A business traveler may pay for preferred seating. AirAsia also provides access to many destinations across Asia and beyond. Its wide network allows customers to travel to major cities, tourism destinations, and regional markets at affordable prices. Another important value proposition is promotional pricing. Campaigns such as Big Sale and free seats create excitement and encourage customers to book early. These promotions strengthen AirAsia's image as an airline that makes flying affordable. The key message in Part 1 is this: AirAsia built its business around a clear customer need. Its customers wanted affordable flying, and AirAsia designed its value proposition around that need. Part 2, Channels, Customer Relationships, and Revenue Streams. Now we move to the next 3 BMC blocks: Channels, Customer Relationships, and Revenue Streams. Channels explain how AirAsia reaches its customers and delivers its service. AirAsia's main channel is its digital platform, especially the official website and mobile app. Customers can search flights, compare fares, book tickets, check in, add baggage, choose seats, and manage their trips online. This digital-first channel is very important because it supports convenience and cost efficiency at the same time. When customers use the app or website, AirAsia reduces the need for physical sales offices and manual processing. This lowers cost and supports the low-cost airline model. AirAsia also uses travel agents as a channel. This helps the company reach customers who prefer assisted booking, group travel arrangements, or traditional travel planning. Airport counters also remain important for check-in support, special cases, baggage issues, and passenger assistance. Next, let us look at customer relationships. AirAsia's customer relationship model is mainly based on self-service. Customers are encouraged to book online, check in online, manage add-ons, and access travel information digitally. This gives customers control and reduces operational cost for the company. However, self-service does not mean there is no support. AirAsia also provides customer support through digital channels, call centers, and social media. These channels help customers manage problems such as flight changes, payment issues, baggage questions, or travel disruptions. AirAsia also builds customer relationships through loyalty. Its loyalty program, known as Big Loyalty, allows customers to earn points from flights and purchases. These points can later be used for discounts, flights, or other benefits. This encourages repeat purchases, especially among frequent travelers. Now let us discuss revenue streams. AirAsia earns revenue mainly from ticket sales. It sells low-cost tickets to attract high passenger volume. In the airline business, filling seats is critical because an empty seat cannot be sold after the flight departs. But ticket sales are only part of the model. AirAsia also earns significant revenue from add-on services. These include checked baggage, seat selection, in-flight meals, priority boarding, travel insurance, and other paid options. This is one of the strongest parts of the AirAsia model. The airline can advertise low base fares, while customers who need extra services can pay more. For example, one passenger may travel with only hand luggage, while another passenger may pay for baggage, meals, and preferred seating. AirAsia may also earn revenue from advertising and partnerships. Brands can advertise through AirAsia's website, app, in-flight channels, and other customer touchpoints. Travel-related partners such as hotels, insurance providers, and transport companies may also collaborate with AirAsia. The key message in Part 2 is this: AirAsia uses digital channels and self-service to reduce costs, while using add-ons and partnerships to increase revenue beyond ticket sales. Part 3, Key Resources and Key Activities. Now let us look at key resources and key activities. Key resources are the assets AirAsia needs to operate its business model. The first key resource is its aircraft fleet. AirAsia has relied heavily on Airbus A320 aircraft. Using a common aircraft type is a strategic decision because it reduces training complexity, maintenance requirements, spare parts variation, and operational cost. For a low-cost airline, standardization is very important. If an airline uses many different aircraft types, it becomes more expensive to train pilots, maintain aircraft, and manage operations. AirAsia's standardized fleet helps support efficiency. The second key resource is the AirAsia brand. The brand is strongly linked to affordability, regional travel, and the idea that ordinary people can fly. The slogan, "Now everyone can fly," helped create a clear market position. When customers think of low-cost flights in Asia, AirAsia is often one of the first brands that comes to mind. The third key resource is technology. AirAsia depends on online booking systems, mobile apps, payment platforms, customer databases, and flight management systems. These systems support digital booking, self-service, pricing, promotions, and add-on sales. The fourth key resource is operational expertise. Running an airline requires strong knowledge in route planning, aircraft maintenance, safety compliance, crew scheduling, airport coordination, and cost control. The fifth key resource is human capital. Pilots, cabin crew, engineers, customer service teams, technology teams, marketers, and management all play important roles in keeping the business running safely and efficiently. Now let us move to key activities. The first key activity is flight operations. AirAsia must manage routes, schedules, aircraft turnaround, crew allocation, safety procedures, and airport coordination. In the airline industry, operational discipline is critical because delays and disruptions can increase cost and reduce customer trust. The second key activity is aircraft maintenance and safety compliance. Low cost does not mean low safety. AirAsia must comply with aviation regulations and maintain aircraft properly. The third key activity is booking management. Customers must be able to search, book, pay, check in, change bookings, and buy add-ons smoothly. If the website or app fails, the customer experience and revenue can be affected. The fourth key activity is marketing and promotion. Campaigns such as Big Sale and Free Seats help attract demand, fill seats, and reinforce AirAsia's low-cost brand promise. The fifth key activity is revenue management. AirAsia must balance low fares with profitability. It needs to price tickets based on demand, timing, route, season, and seat availability. The key message in Part 3 is this: AirAsia's resources and activities are designed to support one operating logic: safe, efficient, high-volume, low-cost air travel. Part 4, Key Partnerships and Cost Structure. Now we move to key partnerships and cost structure. Key partnerships are external relationships that help AirAsia operate its business model. The first major partner is aircraft manufacturers, especially Airbus. AirAsia's partnership with Airbus supports aircraft procurement, fleet expansion, maintenance planning, and crew training. A reliable aircraft supplier is critical because aircraft are the core assets of an airline. The second major partner is fuel suppliers. Fuel is one of the largest costs in the airline industry. AirAsia needs reliable supply and competitive pricing because fuel price increases can directly affect profitability. The third major partner is airports. AirAsia depends on airports for landing rights, passenger facilities, gates, check-in areas, ground services, and flight slots. Good airport partnerships help the airline open routes and operate smoothly. The fourth group of partners includes ground handling and maintenance service providers. These partners support baggage handling, aircraft cleaning, technical support, passenger boarding, and turnaround efficiency. The fifth group includes payment providers and technology partners. Since AirAsia depends heavily on online booking, it needs reliable payment systems, digital infrastructure, and secure technology platforms. AirAsia also works with travel agents, tourism partners, hotels, insurance providers, and transport companies. These partners help AirAsia reach more customers and create additional travel-related revenue. Now let us discuss cost structure. AirAsia's cost structure is one of the most important parts of its business model because the company competes on low fares. The first major cost is fuel. Fuel cost can change significantly depending on global market prices. This is why fuel efficiency is critical. The second major cost is aircraft maintenance. Aircraft must be inspected, repaired, and maintained according to strict aviation standards. This cost is necessary because safety cannot be compromised. The third major cost is crew salary and training. Pilots, cabin crew, engineers, and operations staff must be trained and certified. The fourth major cost is airport fees. Airlines pay airports for landing, parking, passenger handling, and related services. The fifth major cost is technology. AirAsia invests in websites, mobile apps, booking systems, payment systems, customer support platforms, and operational systems. The sixth major cost is marketing. Promotions and campaigns are needed to attract customers and maintain brand visibility. AirAsia manages cost through several methods. It uses a standardized fleet, direct online sales, self-service, high aircraft utilization, and optional add-ons. These methods help keep the base fare low while protecting the company's margin. The key message in Part 4 is this: AirAsia's partnerships and cost structure are not separate from its strategy. They are the foundation that allows the company to offer low fares in a sustainable way. Part 5, Strategic Summary and Conclusion. Let us now conclude the lecture. AirAsia's business model canvas shows a clear and well-aligned business model. Its customer segments are mainly price-sensitive travelers. These include budget tourists, migrant workers, students, families, young travelers, and cost-conscious business travelers. Its value proposition is built around low prices, easy access to destinations, and optional add-on services. Customers can buy a basic ticket and pay extra only when they need additional services. Its channels are mainly digital, especially the website and mobile app. These channels make booking easier for customers while helping AirAsia reduce distribution and service costs. Its customer relationships are based on self-service, customer support, and loyalty. Customers can manage much of their journey independently, while support remains available when needed. Its revenue streams come from ticket sales, add-on services, advertising, and travel-related partnerships. This allows AirAsia to offer low base fares while still capturing additional revenue from different customer needs. Its key resources include aircraft, brand, technology, operational expertise, and people. These resources allow AirAsia to operate safely and efficiently. Its key activities include flight operations, aircraft maintenance, booking management, marketing, revenue management, customer support, and partnership management. Its key partnerships include Airbus, fuel suppliers, airports, ground handlers, technology providers, payment providers, travel agents, and tourism partners. Its cost structure is driven by fuel, aircraft maintenance, crew, airport fees, technology, and marketing. AirAsia manages these costs through aircraft standardization, digital channels, self-service, and high aircraft utilization. The bigger strategic insight is alignment. AirAsia does not only say it is low cost. Its whole business model supports the low-cost position. The customer segments, value proposition, channels, revenue model, activities, partnerships, and cost structure all work together. This is why the business model canvas is useful. It helps us see whether a company's strategy is consistent across the whole business. For AirAsia, the business model is powerful because it turns affordability into a complete operating system. However, AirAsia still faces challenges. Fuel prices can rise. Competition can pressure ticket prices. Regulations can increase operating requirements. Customer expectations can also increase over time. Therefore, AirAsia must continue balancing three priorities: low cost, reliable operations, and acceptable customer experience. The final lesson is simple. A strong business model is not built from one good idea alone. It requires fit across all parts of the business. AirAsia's idea was simple: make flying affordable. Its execution required discipline, control cost, use technology, build partnerships, fill seats, and sell optional services. That is the real strength of AirAsia's business model canvas. Thank you.